Hey guys, what's up? It's G from PrintZebra.com, and I'm back with the Mac Mini M1 processor right here. This is the 8-core, 8 gig processor right here, Apple's new M1 chip. I've been hearing a lot of rave reviews about it. I didn't jump on it right away because I have the iMac 2020 and it's a beast. So I didn't think that this computer was going to be able to trade blows, but it was. So here we are. We're going to unbox these things. And then Apple also released these two Apple HomePod minis. And I've been hearing good reviews about these. So let's get into it. First things first, we're going to open up this. Now, it shouldn't be that hard to rip this plastic off. So we start scratching it here. Let's get the plastic off. Plastic off. Sit it back down here for a sec. So I was gonna upgrade and get the 16 gigs of RAM. But from the reviews that I've seen on YouTube, I mean, for what I do regular Photoshop editing. And a little bit of video editing in Final Cut Pro, maybe Affinity Photo. You know, that's not too light of a workload, but neither once did the iMac hiccup when I needed to throw something at it. Maybe this computer will be the best computer for the office. These are going to be the desktop speakers. We're going to be hooking this up. We're going to open up the Mac Mini first. These unboxings are not much of an unboxing no more because it's not much in the box. But as you see right there, the Mac Mini is right there as soon as you open it up. And the size of it, to me, is bigger than I remembered. I had bought one of these years ago, but I know the size hasn't changed. But since I only got the Apple TV 4K to reference it, that's probably why I had in my mind that it was going to be about the size of that thing. Anyway, let's get this out the box. Okay, so we got the Mac Mini right here. Let's put that right here. And right here we got your Cupertino, you know, directions, the Mac Mini, little book, little quick start guide, right? And Big Sur is amazing. iOS 14 Big Sur is amazing. I like the more updates they do, the better it is. And I really got a lot from the iPhone on my mind. So as you see, this is what come in the box. I didn't see no stickers, but let me double check, because they usually always have stickers. But as far as Apple being so ergonomical now, oh wow, nice big Apple sticker. I almost missed that. Anyway, nice big Apple sticker in the box, and some little stuff that I don't think no one ever read except for the quick start guide if they was new to Apple. Anyway, so the leaps and bounds they've been making with this M1 chip. You see, normal computers, they have to always have like a computer processor with the graphics card and a whole bunch of different separate parts. So y'all see what came in the box. This is our little power cord. We might as well take it out now because we're gonna need it, and that's for sure. All of this stuff feels premium built. You know, I already know the quality of this. When you go Apple, you don't go wrong. You can actually say that now because this is their lowest spec computer, the lowest end computer. And it's suffice for you to do basically everything. It's like stronger than almost any Windows laptop. When I say almost, I mean almost, not all, but almost. And they've definitely been coming, trying to answer back this M1 revolution, so to speak. So, oh wow. Now that I don't remember from previous models of of this. I don't remember no tape or anything being on there. It's been years since I bought one of these guys. So let's get the satisfaction of that. Cover the ports so there was no dust getting in them. Right here, as you can see, it got the HDMI ports, the Thunderbolt ports, the USB ports here, the power cable, the Ethernet cable. It does support Wi-Fi 6. And this thing is fast, blazing fast. I can't wait till they come out with the MacBook Pro 16-inch laptop. And I can't wait till they come out with the iMac. That's the one I'm really waiting for. All right, so I'm going to open this up. And what do we have here? A nice little HomePod mini. A mini pod. Wow. This thing is nice and small. It weighs like it looks. It looks like, see how it looks? That's how much it weighs, like a pound or two. So it's not really heavy at all. It's the perfect size, it looks like. See the little Apple logo down there at the bottom? It's like some type of, if you like give it a little squeeze, it kind of got like almost like a feeling of a softball when you're in the baseball field. Anybody ever felt a softball? Y'all remember that feeling? It's something like that, like almost like a softball. Wow. Okay, so we can't wait to plug those up. And let's open the other box. I was gonna go for the white, but then I thought about, you know, what my room setup was. Okay, that one rolled on out of the box. See, it's like a softball. Like a little softball. So, one thing to notice here is that the wire is stuck in there. Like, it's stationary there. You're not supposed to take the wire out. It doesn't look like, that's for sure. We got USB-C right here, which is great. So, you can plug into all types of things. And let's see if it comes with any type of chargers or whatever in the box. I didn't check the other box because we have two of them. So I wanted to get through, you know, opening up these two. Now we can get to what's inside the box of a HomePod mini. So come right here, looking, it's nothing, cardboard. Okay, so this right here, you open it up, you do have Apple stickers. Okay, so traditional Apple stickers, HomePod mini. Now just imagine, guys, if everybody stuck their Apple stickers somewhere, how many Apple stickers it would be, all the millions of phones and stuff they give you. So comes with the quick start guide. Now, people may need this. This is like a first time setup thing for me. I never bought the actual main HomePod. And they do throw a charging brick in the box. Anyway, to wrap this video up, the whole PC world is on notice. At this point, I'm deep in the Apple ecosystem, guys. I can't get out. I do have an Android phone, but I'm probably going to change that phone pretty soon. Maybe for an iPhone 12 mini and go all in. Or if not, I'm going to go big with the Samsung phone. I'll go like Galaxy Note next year when that one comes out. Apple has been making premium products for years now, decades. So when I seen this and I seen the reviews about it, it was a no-brainer for me to pick it up, right? I always wanted one of these to be exactly what everyone is claiming them to be. And when I got this computer years ago, I thought, my God, what a perfect form factor that I would want on every television. A computer on every television. With their ecosystem, everything will flow seamlessly. So if this is what I think it is, I will be getting another one fully maxed out. I'm testing the waters right now, and I'm keeping this bad boy because you can't really go wrong at this point with this. So thanks for watching. It's your boy G from PrinceZebra.com. Catch y'all next time. Peace.